warning for northeastern Warren County.
There's Warren County.
Southern Greene County until 4:15 p.m.
Once again, a new SDR was issued for Greene
A
County.
severe thunderstorm
I
was
realized
located
that
near
just
Lebanon,
got canceled.
moving east at
I don't know
40
why.
miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail
This
damage
one was
to
just for
vehicles
Greene
if
County.
possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mason, Lebanon, Springboro, Wilmington, Franklin, Waynesville, Jamestown, Hunter, South Lebanon, New Jasper, Clarksville, Harveysburg, Spring Valley, Corwin, Bowersville, Fort William, Paintersville, Melvin, Fort Ancient, and Lytle. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 26 and 61.
Yeah, you guys saw right there. I'm gonna look at IEM for a bit more.
All hazards radio.
So
KIG 86, Columbus,
that things
Ohio,
actually get
originating
done.
from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.